What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to an old friend which we're revisiting called Arpa, the Arpa chain, which used to be its name back in the days. But yeah, we're covering this again. Arpa has been, and that's better illustrated on the chart, has been quite bullish over the last, since the 9th of May for quite a long time. However, I would argue that it has been quite manipulated, especially that first move. I mean, this is not normal market behavior. So I think it's manipulated. It's not really visible in, if you take a look at the markets. I mean, there's some Korean volume, but proportionally that's not a lot. But overall, it does look manipulated. All right, if you're just taking a look at price action, but also in general, right now from the 9th of May, which is, like 2 weeks ago, we're up about 60% right now. Even though, I mean, I know Arpa is a legit project and they have been developing, but there hasn't been any huge news on it for quite some time. And apart from that, in general, Arpa has had a history of being manipulated like this. All right, we have to be honest about that too. If you take a look at price action like this and you see this, well, would you argue that it is a consolidation again, or would you argue that it's normal price behavior? I think I've made my case. So I actually do think it's manipulated. But that does not mean that we necessarily have to fall. I mean, you can also see that we've also been manipulated in the past where we actually spiked up higher. So that's what we'll talk about in this video. Before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment. And there you will find instructions on how to join. Now on to Arpa. So the thing always is with manipulation is that you will stay bullish until you get some sort of a bearish breakout. All right, so if you actually check that out before, for example, right here we got some nice bullish momentum. Then we were still relatively bullish, or at least this whole move up, we were bullish. And then we got our first real bearish breakout right here. And then we started dropping. And now again, I mean, you can see, first of all, we broke above this 5.4 cents, 5.3 cents level. Then we broke above this level around 5.7 cents. And then we broke above that. So now that's our main support. This level right here between 5.8 and 5.7. All right, let me actually illustrate that. I'll kind of highlight it for you like that. That's our main support. We will stay bullish. All right, so right now we're at this major resistance level between 6.3 and 6 cents. If we can break above that as long as we hold our support level. All right, so we can actually get up to 6.9, 7 cents, or that whole level, which is technically from 7.3 all the way up to 6.9 cents. We can get up there, but what we would need to do is we're going to drop down now. I think then we would need to hold 5.8 and 5.7 cents and get some sort of a bullish breakout, right? So hold it and then break above, let's say 6.2 cents. And if we can do that, we will actually continue this momentum up to 6.9 and that 7 cents area. So it is a possibility. I would say though that the price looks a bit exhausted. So I think it's more likely that we will hold that level for a little bit, around 5.8 and 5.7 cents, but that we will not get enough bullish momentum from there to actually get a move like that. I think it's more likely that we'll break down below that, get towards 5.5 cents and then slowly towards 5.4 and eventually all the way down to this level right here, around 5 and 4.9 cents. I think that's the most likely scenario. The market structure or the market altogether, if you take a look at Bitcoin, for example, is also struggling. And just historically, this has been something like that. So a drop from here should be the most likely scenario. I mean, if you take a look at times where this happens, also you can, for example, take a look at the 9th of February and then the 20th of February. There you also saw that we almost got the same levels and then we started dropping back down again. So that is what I expect. That's my update on Arpa for now. If you want to discuss that, then make sure to do so down in the comments. I'm always open for a discussion, but for now, this is my take. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.